Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, July 9th, 2021. It is 7:34 and 5 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's reading, Physics. So let's hop to it here. Abelian group, property of a group of elements associated with a binary operation. In an abelian group, the group elements compute under the binary operation. Absolute plasma instabilities, a class of plasma instabilities with amplitudes growing with time at a fixed point in the plasma medium. Absolute temperature, scale of temperature defined by the relationship. Absolute viscosity, measure of a fluid's resistance to motions whose constant is given by the relation between the shear stress. Absorption of plasma wave energy, the loss of plasma wave energy to the plasma particle medium. For instance, an electromagnetic wave propagating through a plasma medium will increase the motion of electrons due to electromagnetic forces. As the electrons make collisions with other particles, net energy will be absorbed from the wave. Absorption, a process in which a gas is consumed by a liquid or solid, or in which a liquid is taken in by a solid. In absorption, the substance absorbed goes into the bulk of the material. The absorption of gases in solids is sometimes called sorption. Absorption band, F. If alkali halides are heated in the alkali vapor and cooled to room temperature, there will be a farm center defect. Absorption band V. If alkali halides are heated in the halide vapor and cooled to room temperature, there will be a V center defect in it. V center is an alkali vacancy with its bound hole. Absorption coefficient, a measure of the probability that an atom will undergo a state transition in the presence of electromagnetic radiation. Absorption of photons, the loss of light as it passes through material due to its conversion to the other energy forms, typically heat. Absolute zero, 0K, the lowest temperature on the Kelvin or absolute scale. Acceptor levels, the levels corresponding to acceptors are called acceptor levels. They are in the gap and very close to the top of the valence band. Accidental degeneracy describes a property of many particle quantum systems. The relation between frequency W and wave vector K is called the dispersion relation. In the phonon dispersion relation, there are optical and acoustical branches. Acoustics, the study of infinitesimal pressure, waves that travel at the speed of sound. Acoustics is characterized by the analysis of linear gas dynamic equations, where wave motion is small, enough not to create a finite amplitude waves. The fluid velocity is assumed to be zero. Action, a property of classical and quantum dynamical systems. Activity, the absolute activity is defined as lambda. Added mass, refers to the effect of increased drag force on a linearly accelerating body. Addition of angular momentum, two angular momenta, orbital angular momentum and spin, or two distinguishable subsystems with different angular momentum, quantum numbers. Adiabatic bulk modulus. The adiabatic bulk modulus is a measure of the resistance to volume change without deformation or change in shape in a thermodynamic system in a process with no heat exchange. Adiabatic compressibility, the fractional decrease in volume with increase in pressure without exchange of heat. Adiabatic invariant, characteristic parameter that does not change as a physical system slowly evolves. The most commonly used adiabatic invariant in plasma physics is the magnetic moment of a charged particle that's spiraling around a magnetic field line. Adiabatic plasma compression, compression of a gas and or plasma that is not accompanied by gain or loss of heat from outside the plasma confinement system. Adiabatic process, a process in which no heat enters or leaves the system. Adiabatic theorem describes the behavior of the wave function for a system undergoing adiabatic evolution. Adjoint equation, a corresponding relationship that results from replacing operators by their Hermitian conjugate, ordinary numbers by their complex conjugate, conjugating bras in the kits and kits in the bras, and reversing within each individual, termed the order of these symbols. Adjoint operator, property associated with a pair of operators. Adjoint spinner, to construct Lorentz invariant terms for the Lagrangian of solutions to the Dirac equation. Adsorption, a process in which a layer of atoms or molecules of one substance forms on the surface of a solid or liquid. The absorbed layer may be formed by chemical bonds or weaker van der Waals forces. Adsorption isotherm, a curve that gives the concentration of absorbed particles as a function of pressure or concentration of absorbent at constant temperature. Advection, the movement of fluid from point to point in a flow field by pressure or other forces, opposed to convection. Adverse pressure gradient, in a boundary layer of pressure gradient that is positive, rather than negative due to an external decelerating flow. Aeolian harp, wire in a flow that produces sound due to the natural vortex shedding that occurs behind a cylinder. Aerodynamics, the study of the motion of air and the forces acting on bodies moving through air as caused by motion, specifically lift and drag. Afterglow or plasma afterglow, recombination radiation emitted from a cooling plasma when the source of ionization, heating, etc. is removed or turned off. Cognitive Ohm effect, quantum mechanical topological effect. Airfoil, any device used to generate lift in a controlled manner in air, specifically refers to wings on aircraft and blades in pumps and turbines. Bipolar plasma diffusion, diffusion process in which a buildup of spatial electrical charge creates electrical fields. Amber polar plasma potential, which cause electrons and ions to leave the plasma at the same rate. Bipolar plasma potential, electric fields that are self-generated by the plasma and act to preserve charge neutrality through ambipolar diffusion. Amorphous refers to material that has no crystalline structure. Glass is an example of amorphous material with no long-range ordering of atoms. Amplitude scattering, the scattering cross-section for particles by a potential, can be expressed in terms of scattering amplitudes. Kelvin velocity, phase velocity Kelvin wave, equal to the speed of light, divided by the square root of 1 plus the ratio of the plasma frequency to the cyclone frequency. Kelvin waves, electromagnetic waves that are propagated along lines of magnetic force in a plasma. Alloy, a mixture of two or more metals, or of a metal, for example bronze or brass, and small amounts of non-metal, for example steel. Alpha particle, a positively charged particle emitted from the nucleus of some unstable isotopes. Andrein's equation, a simplification of the log-quadratic law determining the viscosity of liquids. Anemometer, any device specifically used to measure the velocity of air, often used generally for the measurement of velocity in any gas. Anharmonic interaction, the interaction corresponding to the anharmonics in the energy expansion. Anions, a negatively charged ion formed by addition of electrons to atoms or molecules. In electrolysis process, anions are attached to ward the positive electron. Anisotropy, a medium is said to be anisotropic if a certain physical characteristic differs in magnitude in different directions. Annealing, the process of heating a material to a temperature below the melting point and then cooling it slowly. Annihilation, the result of matter and antimatter, for example an electron and positron, particles of identical mass but opposite charge, undergoing collision. Annihilation operator, the vacuum state is an eigenstate of an operator and has a null eigenvalue. Anomalous magnetic moment, a correction to the gyromagnetic ratio of a particle which accounts for the complications introduced by virtual pairs existing in the particle's own electric field. Anomalous plasma diffusion, particle or heat diffusion in a plasma that is larger than what was predicted from theoretical predictions of classical plasma phenomena. Antiferromagnetism, a phenomenon in certain types of material that have two or more atoms with different magnetic moments. Anomalous Zeeman effect, term used to describe the shifting of atomic levels in the presence of an external magnetic field. Antimatter antiparticle, species of subatomic particles that have the same mass and spin as normal particles, but opposite electrical charge, and therefore magnetic moment from their normal matter counterparts. Anti-bonding orbital, electronic state for a system of two atoms, in which the atoms repel each other as they approach. The anti-bonding orbital contrasts with the bonding orbital, in which chemical forces favor a bond configuration of the atoms. Anti-symmetric state, a state in which an interchange of coordinates for two indistinguishable particles results in a sign change of the wave function. Anti-symmetrization operator, an operator that projects the anti-symmetric component with respect to particle permutation or exchange of a many-body wave function for identical particles. Archimedes' law. A body immersed in fluid experiences an upward force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. Arc or plasma arc, a type of electrical discharge between two electrodes, characterized by high current density within the plasma between the electrodes. Anti-unitary operator, an operator that can be written as a product of a unitary operator and an anti-linear operator. Ennead, a particle whose wave function for a many-ennead system undergoes an arbitrary phase change following the interchange of coordinates of an Ennead pair. Astrophysical plasmas includes the sun and stars, the solar wind and stellar winds, large parts of the interstellar media, and the intergalactic media, nebula, and more. Atom, the basic building block of neutral matter. Atoms are composites of a heavy positively charged nucleus and much lighter negatively charged electron. Atomic level, states in the submanifold of atomic state. Atomic levels are usually split by small perturbations, but the resulting energy defects of levels are much smaller than the energy defects between atomic states. Atomic spectra, the characteristic radiation observed when atoms radiate in the optical frequencies. Because atoms exist in well-defined discrete quantum energy states, the emitted radiation is seen at discrete frequencies, or wavelengths. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on advanced physics, space science, and mathematics. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.